Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Luminox watch band is probably one of the most important accessories for watch enthusiasts, offering a perfect blend of durability, comfort, and style that significantly enhances the overall look and feel of your timepiece. Finding the ideal band can transform your watch from a simple timekeeping device into a stylish statement piece reflecting your personality and preferences, seamlessly adapting to various occasions and activities. Number 5. Ritche Luminox Watch Band. This stylish watch band is perfect for adding a touch of personality to your Luminox watch. It's made from durable rubber and features a secure clasp. Designed specifically for Luminox 3050, 8800, and 3950 series watches, it ensures a comfortable and snug fit. It's easy to install and remove. This band is crafted from high-quality rubber, built to withstand daily wear and tear. It's also water-resistant, perfect for any activity. The secure double-prong clasp keeps it firmly on your wrist. It's designed for both style and security. It makes a fantastic Christmas gift, a white elephant exchange present, or a stocking stuffer for the man in your life. Give the gift of style and comfort. Don't wait, order yours today and experience the difference a great watch band can make. It's the perfect accessory for your favorite timepiece. What we like. It's a budget-friendly option perfect for everyday wear. The strong rubber material ensures it will last. If you need a reliable and easy-to-use watch band without breaking the bank, this is it. What people say. The kit is good. They give you the tool and an extra pair of pins. The replacement bands are slightly stiffer and less glossy-looking than the original, but otherwise are a very good match and work fine. Note that there is a texture pattern on the part of the band that faces outward, so you don't install it backward. Very easy to install, true to size, and fit. Number 4. Luminox Replacement Watch Bands. Upgrade your Luminox timepiece with our genuine replacement bands. They're designed for a comfortable and secure fit, ensuring your watch looks its best. We offer a wide selection of bands to match your watch model. Find the perfect style and color to complement your personal taste. These bands are crafted from high-quality materials built to last. Experience superior durability and comfort on your wrist. Replacing your band is quick and easy. It's designed for simple installation, so you can get back to enjoying your watch in minutes. Give your Luminox watch a fresh new look with our replacement bands. It's a simple way to revitalize your favorite timepiece. Browse our collection and find the perfect band to match your Luminox watch and your style. Complete your look today. What we like. This is an official Luminox product, guaranteeing quality and compatibility. It's designed to fit many Luminox models. If authenticity and a perfect fit for your Luminox are priorities, choose this one. What people say. It really does give a new look and feel to this great brand of watch. I wore out my band that came with the watch several years ago and this was the perfect replacement band. It was easy to put on the watch, looks great and is very comfortable to wear. Lightweight and comfortable. Number 3. Luminox 3000 Rubber Band. This is the perfect replacement band for your Luminox 3000 series watch. It's made from durable rubber for long-lasting comfort and style. Experience all-day comfort with this high-quality rubber material. It's built to withstand daily wear and tear. Replacing your watch band has never been easier. It's designed for a quick and simple installation process. This band is specifically designed to fit your Luminox 3000 series watch perfectly. Ensure a secure and comfortable fit every time. Give your Luminox 3000 watch a fresh look with this stylish and durable replacement band. Order yours today. This is an authentic Luminox replacement band, ensuring quality and compatibility with your watch. Enjoy peace of mind with a genuine product. What we like. It's a genuine Luminox band specifically for the 3000 series. This ensures a seamless and precise fit. If you own a Luminox 3000 series and want an original replacement, this is your best bet. What people say. It looks like the original and fits in my Luminox. Same band as the original when it was brand new. Feels great. I am extremely hard on my watch. Have had my Luminox for nearly 20 years, have had to replace the band 3 times. Not bad, and I always pick this band as it has the durability for my needs. Number 2. Luminox Watch Bands. Give your Luminox watch a fresh look with our new watch bands. We have a wide variety of styles and colors to choose from. These bands are made to fit your Luminox perfectly. They're durable and comfortable, ensuring a great fit. It comes in 19mm, 20mm, 22mm, 23mm, and 24mm widths. Find the perfect fit for your watch. Choose from rubber, nylon, or canvas materials. Each offers a unique look and feel. Express your style with a wide selection of colors. Find the perfect band to match your personality. Replacing your band is quick and easy. You'll be wearing your new band in minutes. What we like. It offers a wide selection of sizes and materials to perfectly match your needs and style. You'll find the perfect color and material to complement your watch. If you need a versatile and customizable band, this is the one for you. What people say. The quality of this genuine Luminox watch band is simply unparalleled. The black rubber strap exudes a sense of sleekness and durability that is hard to find elsewhere. The attention to detail is evident in the precise stitching and the robust construction. It's a bit long, so it makes it easier to cut to length. Very pleased with the fit and quality. This is a high-quality, genuine Luminox replacement for the old band on my Luminox 8880 watch, which had deteriorated from years of sweat and sun. Number 1. Luminox Watch Bands. Give your Luminox watch a fresh new look with our genuine replacement straps. We offer a wide selection to match your style. It's easy to find the perfect fit. Choose from 19mm, 20mm, 22mm, 23mm, and 24mm widths to perfectly match your watch case. Experience superior comfort and durability. It's crafted from high-quality rubber, nylon, and canvas materials. Express your personality with a variety of colors and materials. Find the perfect band to complement your look. Replacing your strap is quick and simple. Get a new look for your watch in minutes. With so many options to choose from, you're sure to find the perfect band to match your watch and your style. Browse our collection today. What we like. It offers a wide selection of sizes and materials to perfectly match your needs and style. You'll find the perfect color and material to complement your watch. If you need a versatile and customizable band, this is the one for you. What people say. The quality of this genuine Luminox watch band is simply unparalleled. The black rubber strap exudes a sense of sleekness and durability that is hard to find elsewhere. The attention to detail is evident in the precise stitching and the robust construction. It's a bit long, so it makes it easier to cut to length. Very pleased with the fit and quality. This is a high-quality, genuine Luminox replacement for the old band on my Luminox 8880 watch, which had deteriorated from years of sweat and sun. One of the 2 retainer loops has a raised piece that helps lock it into a notch on the band, preventing slippage of the loop. Another nice touch with this band is that the channel where the pins sit in the band is reinforced with metal. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.